Hi guys, here is how you can lip sync a video or convert an image to lip sync video using FaceFusion. First thing, we need to have FaceFusion installed. If you don't have FaceFusion, kindly go to our YouTube channel and install it manually. If you don't want to install it manually, you can also get this ready-to-use toolkit from this link. Anyway, after FaceFusion is installed, let me quickly open it. I am using the ready-to-use format. My PC doesn't have a GPU, so I will use a CPU. Please note it is going to be very slow with the CPU. That's why I am only demonstrating a few seconds of video here. Here is FaceFusion. This is the latest version. Let me close this all. And now, here is the sample we are going to use for this video. This is the audio for lip sync.
Hello, how are you doing?
And this is the sample video for lip sync. This is only a few seconds. And I will use this sample image to swap the face. Let's do it. In FaceFusion, click on Source. Here is the sample folder. I will use source as sample audio. I will also use source as sample image. Two sources. If you only want a lip sync video without swapping the face, you can untick this and only use the audio and open. So here are both, and here is the sample image as well. And now we need to upload the target. Again, my PC is only using a CPU, so I will tick this one. This is for NVIDIA graphics users. And in the processors, we are going to swap the face. I will also use Face Enhancer. And we will also use Lip Sensor. This might download some additional resources, so it might take some time. So we have Face Swapper, Face Enhancer, and Lip Sync. Now let's open the target video. So this is the sample video. Please make sure this audio length exactly matches or is shorter than the sample video. The video must be longer compared to the audio. So this is done. Now please wait for a while till you see the preview. Here is the face swapped with the image we are using. It's done. Now let's lip sync and click on Start. You will see the updates over here. This will face swap and lip sync. Please note this will take quite a long time if you only have a CPU like mine. This is done. And here is the lip sync video. Let me quickly play it.
Hello, how are you doing?
This might be a little lagging because of my PC, as I am recording and using FaceFusion. You can also download this. And here is the video, and this is lip syncing a video. However, you might also want to lip sync an image and convert it to a video. Let me clear this all. In the source, I will use the audio only. Here is the audio. I am not using Face Swapper, so untick this. So we have Face Enhancer and Lip Sensor only. Now for the target. We cannot just use an image. We tried, but it didn't work. We will have to convert this image to video. We will use Camtasia to do this, but you can use any software you want. We just drag the image to Camtasia, adjusted the length, and created a video, and exported the video, and saved it as MP4. Basically, we converted the still image to video. Please note you can use any software. Here is the sample video, and it is just a still image. After this, let me upload it to the target. Here it is. Please make sure to wait and see the preview, and also make sure you choose the right option, Face Enhancer enhances the face quality, and this is to lip sync. So, here is the preview. And click on Start. And you can see the process has started. And this will take some time. You can also see all the updates in the terminal. This is done. And here is the video. Let me quickly play it.
Hello, how are you doing?
And you can download it too. And please do give it a try and see how it works for you. Thank you very much.